multiply numbers with 10, 0, 1, hundreds and so on. So see on the board I have multiplication by 0 and 1. So these multiplications are called easy multiplications because we can see the number and easily multiply it without putting it in an actual multiplication form. So multiplication by 0 and 1. So here I have an example first. With examples I will explain you. Now 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 0, right? So I will get the answer as 0. Why? Because in the recall part also we have said that if you multiply any number with 0 then the answer is 0, right? So here even though there are so many numbers, if I keep on multiplying and if I have any in any place 1 0, I need to multiply with that too, so then that's the reason I am getting 0. Automatically then the answer will be 0 because even though there are so many numbers, as there is 1 0 which I need to multiply, the answer will be 0, right? Now coming to one part, when you multiply 1 with any number or any number with 1, okay, 1 with any number with 1, then the answer is that same number which you have multiplied. Right, here 567 into 1 is 567, or even I can say that 1 into 567 is 567, right? Here again 1 into 809, 809 is nothing but 809, or again I can say that 809 into 1 is also 809. So whatever the order may be, when you multiply any number with 1, then the answer is the number itself. Now you have learned how to do easy multiplication with 0 and 1 from these both examples, right? Now we move on to how when you multiply a number with 10, 20, 30 or so on only till 90 children. Remember, if it is tens only till 90, okay, there is no so on, and because after 90 I will be getting 100, it's a 3-digit number, right? Hundreds, it's changing, the place values are also changing. So that's the reason from 10 to 90, if you multiply any number with tens, what will be the answer for me? See, the number is 537. I have multiplied with 10. So the answer is nothing but 5370, right? Now, one more example we will see, then I'll let you know how to do it. Now see, 3254, 3254 into 30 is equals to 97620. So you can observe that in both the example, the ones place is having 0, right? So I can say that from this first example, when you multiply a number with 10, children remember, when you multiply a number with 10, only with 10 the statement is valid. See, when you multiply a number with 10, I need to write the same number and then add a 0. Okay, I need to write the same number and add a 0. Why? Because 537 into 1, okay, is nothing but 537, and I am adding the simply 0 which is in the ones place over here, right? So whichever digit is there in the tens place, I need to multiply that digit with the number and simply add 0. Okay, that I did over here. See, in the tens place I have 3, digit 3. So I multiplied 3 with the whole number, 3254. I have written the answer, that is 9762. Okay, and I added 0 which is in the ones place over here. So if you are multiplying with 1, it is the same number and add 0. If you are multiplying with any other digit from 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90, then you need to multiply the number, digit which is in the tens place with the number and add 0. So this is how we multiply with 10 up till until 90, right? Now tens over. Now I am moving on to hundreds. So 100 till 900. Okay, I am not going to include 1000 and all because place values keep on changing, right? It's 4 digit, only 3 digits, 100 to 900. If I multiply any number with 100, what will be my answer? It will be the same number because in hundreds place I am having 1. I'll write the same number and I'll be adding the 2 zeros to the answer. Okay, but if the number is not 100, what will be my answer? It is the same as tens. Whatever the digit is, okay, whichever digit is there in the hundreds place, I will be multiplying that digit with the whole number which I have taken, write the answer and add 2 zeros to it. Okay children, see here 646 into 600. So I multiplied 646 into 6, have written the answer and added 2 zeros. So this is how we multiply with 0 and 1, tens and hundreds. Now we move on to 5, 25, 15 and so on. Now children, we will start multiplication by 5. Till now we have learned what? 0, 1, tens and hundreds, right? Now 5, 25, 50 and 125. So when you multiply a number with 5, 25, 50 or 125, instead of doing the regular multiplication which is time consuming, we can directly follow a simple method of easy multiplication, right? Now by 5, if you multiply by 5, what is happening? We will first see an example, then I'll explain to you. Now in the example I have taken 579 into 5. Okay, so when a number is multiplied by 5, what I need to do? I need to add 1 0 to the number, then divided it by 2. Okay, so what will I do? I will add 0 to this number 579, then it will become what? 5790. Then I am dividing it by what? Number 2, right? So digit 2 I am dividing it with 2. Then the answer is how much? 2895. So when we multiply 579 with 5, we get 2895. See children how easy it is? First, whenever you are multiplying with 5, I repeat again, you need to add 0 to the number which is given, then divide it by 2. Okay, then you will get the answer. This answer is nothing but the product of these both numbers. Okay, now moving on to by 25. So when you are multiplying a number with 25, what we need to do? The number is 8953. I am doing into 25. So what will I do? I need to add 2 zeros to the number and divide it by 4. See, for 5 it is 2, I need to divide it with 2 and add 1 0. For 25 it is add 2 zeros and divide by 4. So when I divide by 4, I get the answer as 2,23,825. So when I multiply this 8,953 into 25 with 25, then I get this answer. So this is very easy method children. Now by 50. So when I am multiplying a number with 50, I need to add 2 zeros to the number but divide the number with 2. For 25 it is 4, but for 50 it is 2. But we need to add same number of zeros for 25 and 50. Okay, so the number is 7265. I need to add 2 zeros. I have written over here and I am dividing with what? Digit 2. So when I do it, I get the answer as 3,63,250. So when I multiply 7,265 with or by 50, then I will be getting 3,60,250. So I can say it directly, which is easy. Now with 125, I have an example over here. It is 7,851 into 125. So what I need to do? I need to add 3 zeros children now. So for 125 it is 3 zeros and I need to divide it with what? 8. See, 7,851 and have added 3 zeros after this and have divided with what? 8. So I get the answer as 9,81,375. So this is how you do multiplication with 5, by 5, by 25, by 50 and by 125. So please practice it with a lot of examples, and also there is an exercise in your textbook. Please go through it and practice. Thank you.